Hello everyone, hello étape pour l'excellence students. I hope you are fine. Alright, so this class is designed for 4th grade class. Okay, are you ready? So let's start by activity 10, order the words. Here we have 6 different sentences. And as you can remember, we did comparison lesson in class. So we're gonna do comparative adjectives. For example, we have adjective interesting here, number 1. Can anybody order these words, please? So, interesting, my book on Explorer is yours than more. Number 2, you have dangerous, more, Jacques Cousteau's than Shackleton's adventures were. 3, more, climbing trees, crossing Antarctica is difficult than. 4, then Jacques Cousteau, more, Christopher Columbus is famous. 5, carefully, Susie, more, Simon writes than. 6, walking, sailing is exciting more than. So the first sentence here, what do you think? We're gonna start by what? Yes? My book on explorers is more interesting than yours. So we always start by the noun, okay? Then we use verb to be, then comparative adjective, more interesting than, and we continue the sentence. All right? So here, more than, more plus adjective plus then, it gives us a comparative sentence. Number 2, can anybody order this sentence? Okay, give it a try. Are you ready to see the answer? Shackleton's adventures were more difficult than Jacques Cousteau's. As you can notice here, we have verb to be in the past tense. Plus more, difficult. Difficult here, normally it's with double F, okay? Then Jacques Cousteau's. Next, number 3, crossing Antarctica is more difficult than climbing trees. Again, we start by the noun, verb to be, more plus adjective, then, and we continue the sentence. I hope it's clear. Number 4, Christopher Columbus is more famous than Jacques Cousteau's. Can you notice, children, that it's really easy? Okay, when you write the noun, then verb to be, more famous than, it's a comparative adjective, and you continue with the noun that you have. Number 5, carefully. Susie, more, Simon writes than. Simon writes more carefully than Susie. It's really easy, isn't it? 6, sailing is more exciting than walking. Okay, just pay attention with the spelling of then, because in the comparative adjective it's with an. Remember that. Okay, so let's do it again. 1, my book on Explorer is more interesting than yours. 2, Shackleton's adventures were, again, more difficult than Jacques Cousteau's. 3, crossing Antarctica is more difficult than climbing trees. Number 4, Christopher Columbus is more famous than Jacques Cousteau. 5, Simon writes more carefully than Susie. 6, sailing is more exciting than walking. Can you see? It's really easy, just with practice. I think you're gonna master this. So let's check if they're correct. Wow, everything is correct. Good job. All right. Let's go back to activity 11. What do you think? Make sentences. I think climbing is more dangerous than swimming. So here you have the words, you have the adjectives, and I'm gonna ask you to try to write as much sentences as you can. Okay? Great. Write them and send it to me. Now write sentences. So here you're gonna take a piece of paper and write them like the example that you have. I think badminton is more boring than table tennis. So what do you think about the others? Here you have climbing, swimming, pop music, classical music, maths, art, badminton, table tennis, horses, fish, photo, painting. Okay, children, now I'm gonna ask you to move on to activity book, page 49. So, make sentences. Thirsty, careful, happy, famous, strong, dirty. Before I forget, I want to just tell you that when you have the word that ends with letter Y, okay, we're gonna delete the Y and write instead IER. Like the word thirsty, it becomes thirstier. Careful here, no change, but we're gonna add the comparative adjective more careful. Happy, it becomes happier. Famous, more famous. So some adjectives we don't change anything, but just we add more. Hungry, hungrier. Strong, stronger, and dirty, dirtier. Okay? Now here we have the characters. I'm gonna ask you to write sentences. Okay? Simon's hungrier than Stella. Try to use comparative adjectives. Number 10, compare Tom's days. Choose words from the box. The weather, good, bad, or sunny. Tom, hungry, happy, or tired. The lesson, exciting, boring, difficult. Here you have Wednesday, Sunday. Tom was hungrier on Wednesday than on Sunday. So try to choose the words from the box and compare Tom's days. Okay? Thank you everybody for watching. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to contact me. Good day.